Fuck. Ah, fuck. I landed so wrong now. The range of motion is at the minimum. Let's walk a bit. See how much we can warm it up. Keep landing wrong on my left knee. Fuck. I should probably get a brace or something. Try to take some of the pressure off of that. It goes down. Right. Otherwise, if I land with my left, and for the next 80 or so meters, I can barely bend it. Last 1.4 left. I've been walking most of this one, can't even lie.